At Nature's Nutrition, we believe the best source of nutrition comes directly from nature. But it's not always possible to get all the nutrients we need from diet alone. That's why we've created a line of all-natural supplements designed to help you keep up with a healthy and active lifestyle. Our Turmeric Curcumin supplement is a powerful, all-natural anti-inflammatory that's specially formulated to help relieve joint pain and stiffness. We combine turmeric with black pepper extract for 2,000 times better absorption than turmeric capsules alone. Our turmeric supplements are available in 60, 120, and 180 capsule bottles. They're 100% natural and made in the USA. Try Nature's Nutrition supplements today and discover the all-natural benefits that nature intended.